Large language models can generate amazing answers. But how do we measure whether those answers are actually good? That's where RAGAS comes in. RAGAS stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation Assessment and helps evaluate RAG systems automatically. In a RAG system, the AI first retrieves relevant information from documents and then generates an answer using that information. RAGAS evaluates important metrics like faithfulness, answer relevancy, context precision, and context recall to measure response quality. That's where RAGAS comes in. One of RAGAS's biggest advantages is identifying hallucinations by checking whether answers are actually supported by retrieved content. RAGAS helps developers build more reliable AI applications by measuring response quality, reducing hallucinations, and improving user trust.